Yo,
Yo,
what's
what's up?
up?
Okay, so now I'm in my friend's house. So we are preparing food that we will share later on the street. So let's see. We will still prepare.
Stay tuned.
Hi. So now we preparing the food. We've got nasi bungkus, for Bali. And then yeah, later on we will share it to the people who really needs that. So yeah, this is how we prepare it. So this is my friend Rizka, and my friend also Itun. They are shy.
Meanwhile, the girls preparing the food, the package. I show you what is it. Some crackers, water, with the nice bag, and nasi inside. So it's like a lunch, and it's like quite a lot of over here. And how many parcels you prepare for today?
Today we do in two different places. One in Singaraja and one in here. And in here we prepare like about 100 packages. And in Singaraja about 70. And tomorrow we also do it again and maybe about 80 packages to share to people who really need it.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the residence here. The kids playing with the cat. This is like a local complex of Kosan, but similar to the residential area. The kids playing, little bit shy. That's how it look like. Alright, we have full boot of the goodies. There are even a masker, and we're gonna share to the people in one spot. Alright, so we are going to distribute the food to the people. By the way, on the back seat I have two ladies with me today, so very big privilege today for me.
Okay, so yeah, now the food already in the back in the car, so we are heading to the place where we're gonna share the food. Let's check this out.
This area.
Yeah, now let's go straight.
Yeah, go straight. I think there's
Okay, so
Kampung Tengku.
this is actually Renon, but as you see, not many people can imagine an area like this is in Renon actually, because usually in Renon is many fancy things.
Ah, I see. Yeah.
Ini rumah-rumahnya.
Oh, this one. Okay,
Like
yes.
people living here,
Okay.
stuff like this.
We stop here, Mo?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. We arrive. All right. So we arrive in the Kampung Pemulung. Halo Ibu, apa kabar? So the lady is collecting the rubbish actually. Ah, yes. Yeah. So yeah, as you see, this place actually in the Renon, in the center of the Renon. Maybe in the previous videos, you see that we used to go to Renon to buy food or something like that. And Renon also famous for the elite housing complex. But some in the spot of this area also there is a one kampung of the, like Pemulung, something like that. I look at that, they didn't have a proper house. We want to share to people in here. This is like we call Kampung Pemulung, or this like known as like people not really homeless, but they collecting the rubbish and everything. And few months ago, this area also was burning. Ah, I see. Yeah. So this area was burned, and then and you see that they also have a house that is not very permanent house actually, but yeah, it's very sad compared to Renon area that very elite. And everything. That like this is something different. We see. Yeah, that's the reality. Oh, ini ada lagi. Kita anterin. Hamil berapa bulan, Bu? 7. Wah. Let's see. Oh, nggak ada keluar.
Lagi keluar.
Boleh kita lihat
Oh iya boleh boleh.
Yeah. So this is how the housing inside.
Melihat rumahnya. Kurang dua aja ini sama orangnya pergi.
Ya.
Udah ini
Oh,
udah
sudah.
ini. Orangnya keluar. Teteh
Ya.
sama saya aja. Teteh gue cai. Cai. Nah, karo anu kene ya.
Ya,
Karo sapa jenenge?
ya, ya. Makasih.
Yeah. So yeah, this one they don't really have a like permanent housing. Like I told you, just even the bathroom, just like that. Let's see. This is the bathroom.
So basically that's how it looks, the situation. This is the middle of the Renon, where is so many like buildings, like government buildings, like bank offices, headquarters, and well, not many people can expect something like this. It's just here, just next, I don't know, 200 meters is the beautiful elite of Renon, and people living like here, this one. So we have to help as many people as possible. I hope so. They are happy, just every little help. Everybody get food, small package, which is I think is very good. Also the main job what they have here, as you can see, this is the segregation of rubbish. So basically the plastic, the cardboard, stuff like this. Also this trolley over here, so this is when they push this and collecting the rubbish from the street, they collecting this, segregate, and probably they sell somewhere to the company who take it over, but definitely that's not a big money, as you can imagine, and they living just here, which is sad. Unfortunately, places like this is many around Bali. Yes, you're welcome, my friend. And unfortunately, the places like this is a lot of around the Bali, not only here, but this is just the one example. And the interesting fact, this is in the side, the elite area. This is like tourist area, you could say it's Nusa Dua, but this is Renon, so pretty sad. But that's how it is. Oh, even they have a kid here.
Okay, so this is how he collecting the stuff. We can check. Maybe you see that on the road somebody like pushing this one. Oh ya, oke. Ini gimana Pak? Cara bawanya didorong gitu? Boleh dilihatin Pak gimana caranya?
Caranya begini Mbak.
Ya, berat nggak Pak?
Ya,
Enggak ya?
jadi digeret gini.
Digeret
Mbak.
gini?
Ya,
Oh, I see.
jadi santai.
Oh, kemana aja Pak biasanya Pak?
Di sini di Toko Mas.
Di Toko Mas. Oh.
Gajah Mada.
Gajah Mada. So he's collecting the plastic things and also the card box, and then later on kan nanti dijual gitu Pak ya?
Ya,
Dikumpulin. Dalam sehari kira-kira dapat berapa Pak?
Ya, tidak tentu Mbak. Kalau kita ada rezeki ya tak lumayan. Kalau biasa-biasa begini ya 50 lah paling banyak.
Ya, dapatnya satu hari 50.000 gitu ya. Okay, in one day he just collecting, let's say if he got a lot, around 50k. So if he's not working, it means like he didn't have anything for food. So yeah, it's so sad.
Alright, so that's how it looks, the situation. We share some food for the people in need in Renon area, as you see, with these beautiful ladies.
Well, actually, like one thing that we learned is that we are all human beings, you know, like we are all the same, regardless where you are from, who you are, what religion you have. So we are all the same. We will die. I mean, we die because of sick, or we die because of hunger. So that is why we decided to share the foods to help them. Even you look that you saw in our video, they are healthy, but yeah, to keep healthy people to stay healthy.
Exactly.
They
As
need
because
food.
of
They
they are,
need food.
as because of they are still healthy doesn't mean as they live like in the, I don't know, like many other rich people, for example. So you don't need to see person on the street dying. You just have to save them, as they're not gonna die tomorrow or next week. You know what I mean? So I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. We will try to make a few more videos like this in the future, maybe, if God help us. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow as always. See you, take care.
Bye.